Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn some basic After Effects, like how to create composition, basic keyframe movements, and finally how to apply text animation presets to your text. Without wasting time, let's get into After Effects. Now we'll create a composition for our project. We have two ways to create it. One by clicking New Composition, which is showing on your center of the desktop, and another one is go to Composition menu and click on New Composition. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to call this composition as After Effects Basic. For this project I'm using HD size that is 1920 by 1080 pixels. According to your project, you guys are free to choose your own ratios. You can change your video duration. For example, we'll give 50 seconds. Here we can change our workspace color as well. Okay, let's use some light color. I would like to give this light blue color. You guys can choose any colors. Other thing will keep as it is. Still, we can modify our composition. For that, right-click on your workspace, choose Composition Settings or go to Composition menu. Click on Composition Settings. Now we are in our main composition, or we can call it as Parent Composition. Okay, now we're good to create a text layer for our project. For this you can right-click on Layers panel, click on New and choose Text. Or simply you can select Text tool and click on your working space. After Effects automatically create a text layer for you. Now let's write some text for this layer. I am using Moonhouse font. By clicking Ctrl, +D you can duplicate this layer. For this text, I am using Collingweather font. You can make little difference here like bold, italic. If you don't have this panel on your desktop, no worries, just go to Windows and check the character option. Okay, let's see movements and keyframes. Here you can see a lot of things, for example, position, scale, many more. This links height and width of an object. You can see the difference here. You can change color of the text here. And one of the main thing for any movements or any animation of your object anchor point plays a main role. If your anchor point is not in the center of your object, just press and hold the Control key and double-click on Anchor Point tool. Yes, look at this, it comes to center. Here you can modify your video duration. Well, let's see some keyframe things. Now I want to change the position of my object. For that, simply I select my layer and press PE key. Just click on this stopwatch icon to create a keyframe. Here you can turn off or on your layer. and by clicking this icon, we can add or remove the keyframe at current time, Position has two axes, first one x-axis and the second one y-axis. Okay, now just drag this keyframe where you want to end the object. Now come to the beginning, and by dragging x-axis, we can change the position of an object, or you can use Move tool. For every movements After Effects creates new keyframe automatically. And you can change the y-axis as well, or you can make your own paths using x-axis and y-axis. You can curve the paths using these points. Now you are ready to play. Okay, let's make some changes in scale with position. This looks good. This is all for today. In next video, we'll learn how to make pre-composition and how to apply and use text effects and presets. Please do subscribe and press bell icon for next video notification. Stay tuned, guys. Bye-bye.